guys, Ocean here with Wave. Say what's up, Wave.
What's up? And I'm just starting now, so say what's up, Ocean, for my peoples.
Okay, what's up?
And hey guys, Wave here, and we're back with another epic video. The baby.
How about we try making... Bro, I swear I had a freaking pirate ship. Oh, no. I thought I had 80-something pieces.
Here, I'm putting an engine on back.
I'm oofing this.
I think we made it the wrong way.
Yeah, hold on, let me just... Do-do-do-do. I can't delete it.
I can.
Delete it then.
Bop. Let's put the other side. That's right. Perfect. What's gonna boost us? If you don't know what this game is, then continue watching to find out. Like and subscribe to both my channels, especially Ben's.
Yes.
He needs the subs.
Yes. Sub equal good.
Stop, don't build. Look what you made. You made Among Us.
How do you This is literally my first time playing it on PC.
Oh, how you rotate is R.
Oh no, like directionally, so that it's facing the wall.
R. You move your mouse. If you have it in your hand, you just move your mouse. I want the captain's seat. I'm gonna keep building. We're gonna build the biggest and best boats ever, guys.
Yeah. Isn't it obvious?
Yeah. That's what it's called. Biggest and best boat ever with
There, a cow tipper. Probably won't last. Oh no! It's a mess. Where's my cow tipper? Did it go to heaven? Oh, you have no clue what I'm adding.
Add a chair. You're on your favorite rocket ship. Sailing through the sky. Little Einstein. 104. Get ready to
Boom.
there's so much to find. Little Einstein.
Wait, let's make this boat go vroom vroom. It'll.
Add another one. Wait, don't add another controller. No, then we both can control it. Wait, only I can control it.
Oh. Oh wait, I forgot. I have fireworks.
Me too.
Yeah, for the 4th of July sale.
Hey, you know.
Zooming through the sky, little Einstein. What?
Everybody, if you like 4th of July, like subscribe because my birthday is 3rd of July.
Oh, I forgot. Yeah, it was Landon's birthday party recently.
Yep.
I'm keeping all my valuables on here.
I will too. Just I'll put more weight on the side. Like an anvil. We gotta put more weight on the side.
Eh. Eh.
I want more weight.
I want more money.
Me too. I want a lot of money. Now you gotta put your chair down. Actually, I don't think we're gonna need a chair.
Hold on, let me get my chair. I'm gonna have mine on top of the propeller.
Wow, there's a lot of chests here. more chests? I don't have any more chests.
The crickets. The crickets.
Ben, did you turn your volume off? No. Did you?
No, I forgot to.
It's okay, you can do it now. Push Windows G and there's gonna be sound, so just turn it off.
Okay, hold on. Windows G. Is it audio?
And
Where's
chat for Roblox.
audio? Audio.
Oh, I forgot to do it too. Sorry, you guys, if I ruined your eardrums. Ben, just get in your seat.
Hold on. I'm trying to turn my volume down or off. Whatever.
It's right under the record button.
Oof. Okay. Yeah. I got it. All right, guys. Sorry about that. Technical difficulties. Wait, but how are we gonna, dude? How are we gonna get up there?
We will try. Anyways, we're launching it. Back.
No, I'm not ready.
I'm sorry.
Ah!
Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I gotta do something real quick. I'm gonna mute my microphone. Sorry for this one, guys.
I went to heaven.
I'm recording a video right now. Mom, I'm recording a video right now.
Me go build big house. Did you die?
I just had to tell my mom, I was making a video. Launch it.
Plus.
No, never broken. Ben, where were you?
Died.
I did it.
Yeah, I died.
I did not.
Oh.
Not. I'm running up the hill.
Running up the hills. I'm running up the hills.
I'm running up on nothing because I'm broken. I don't know what 2 plus 2 is. Please help me.
We can make the freaking most OPest ship.
Yeah, I don't think this is one of them.
Yeah, right.
This one's... No! The ship!
I don't care. I'm dead.
No, Ben, I'm stuck on an island.
You're stuck on an island?
I jumped off the boat and I landed on one of these islands, the Screw Island. The boat and I literally am stuck on the Screw Island. I need you to build a boat and come get it.
I'm spending all my freaking...
Please, Ben, I need you to.
Dude, I'm dead. What am I supposed to do, my guy?
Build a new boat.
I'm doing that.
Okay, please. This is why it's called Lost at Wave. Because I'm lost at sea. And by the way, guys, if you want us to do our next video to be... Wait, my next video to be...
Maybe mine, I don't know.
Maybe. To be the new world that we've created, the new YouTube fam.
Oh yeah, YouTube Fam 2.0.
Yep, new YouTube fam is what I named it.
Yeah. I'm pretty sure we all came up with that name.
I named it NYT. Come on, Ben, I need you. Just build a boat that can last at least until the clock for the second place. Come on, Ben, you can do this. I'm counting on you. I'm rooting on you. Come on.
I'm just doing random stuff.
Well, you better put your chair down, too.
Yeah, I know, I'm gonna do that. I'm just building random stuff.
Lost at Wave. Oh, I'm lost at sea. Yeah, and if Ben gets Bedrock Edition on his computer, he can start making videos on it.
I need fireworks.
I don't have fireworks.
I don't really know what the fireworks do.
I don't either. I think it explodes the ship if the fireworks get broken. I don't know. I need help though.
I'm coming. Shut your booty.
Is mayonnaise an instrument?
Okay, hold on.
Is
I'm coming.
mayonnaise an instrument?
Oh, wait.
Ocean, is mayonnaise an instrument?
I forgot to put a freaking chair. With a propeller.
YouTubing, forgot to put a chair down. Died 2021 to 2021 in the game.
Dude, I'm coming. I just gotta build another messy boat. That'll last.
Mayonnaise an instrument? And you better get over, because I'll make you an instrument.
I gotta make a boat that can freaking last.
You just gotta do a lot of stuff. I'm gonna type in chat. Is mayonnaise an instrument? Mayonnaise an instrument? I don't know, is mayonnaise an instrument? I tried to spell it, it wouldn't let me say instrument. Whatever.
All it said was,
Was mayonnaise a fart? No. I'm glitched out, I can't move. I'm stuck.
I'm coming, Landon.
I'm in chat, that's why I couldn't move. Set off your boat. Launch. Our boat flew away. It just floated off into the unknown. This is the same exact spot my sister got stuck in. Yeah, I'm stuck here too. I'm so sad. Launch the boat.
Dude, I freaking had the wrong chair.
It's okay. Just launch the boat.
I did.
I don't see it.
And I'm done. I did. I did.
I see the boat though. I see the boat.
The wreckage of it. And then it probably just vanished.
I see a guy who's coming to me.
But now it's nowhere to be spotted.
A guy. No, they're on the other side. Then remember to come on the right side.
I will. I died.
Well, I also need to tell you that. Just make a random ship.
Yeah, I am. I'm making just a bunch of stuff.
It took you like 10, it took you like 3 minutes or 4 minutes. I haven't even got here yet. Your boat has, but you haven't. No, Sarah, I need your help. No,
He's leaving you to die alone. I'm sorry, Landon. But I'm not. You will not die alone.
I will die alone.
No, you will not. I am coming.
I'm only 2 years old and I died.
You died?
I died. No, I haven't died it. I haven't died it yet.
I haven't died it yet.
Is mayonnaise an instrument?
F.
Is mayonnaise an instrument?
Oh no.
Just don't go off your boat, okay? Put a chair down and sit in the chair. Wait, is that the wreckage of your boat? No! Get me on it! I need it! Stop it! Stop it!
Pew.
No, no, that's the Forbidden Lands! No, that's the Forbidden Lands! What is the Forbidden Lands? It keeps bringing it to the whatever lands.
Okay, dude, where are you?
I'm at the clock spot. Get to the second one. That's all you have to do. It's easy. Right?
The wreckage.
See your wreckage. Is copyright an instrument?
The Escher.
Oh, I just fell into the water and got out.
Oh my gosh, dude, I'm still alive somehow.
You're coming to me.
I know.
Save me.
Boom. Oh wait, I forgot. I don't have a cannon anymore.
Oh, come on. Are you on the left side? Left side.
Wait, left?
Yes. No, right. Oh, that way. See me? I don't think that's enough boat, but okay. Park it. No, park it.
I parked it.
Okay, go.
And I don't have an arm.
Underneath me.
Dude, get back on the boat. We're gonna win this. Mayonnaise. I'm gonna win this for you, Landon.
No, don't leave me. I'll lie down on your back. Hi, too good. Stay alive. Tell me when you're done.
I'll tell you when I'm dead. I'm dead.
Yeah, I'm done too. Hello from the. No, get me off.
I just saw my ship going. Deja vu.
Oh, did you just die? Then I'm gonna die too. My wings are gone. I'm gonna fly away like a little birdie. I died. I got where? Oh my gosh, I got so much money. Oh, this thing into this video.
Hiya, then the street.
Bye guys. Like,
No.
subscribe.
No.
What?
Keep it recording. Keep it recording. Dude, keep it recording.
No, we have to end.
I'm still. Okay, fine. Okay, guys, I'll shout out.
Like, subscribe.
Just kidding.
Bye. Peace.
Yep.
It is out.
Peace.